My weekend has just started, and I've thought of coming to a place similar to my hometown. I am Bipasha Das. I'm from a small hill station in Meghalaya called Tura, which is not exactly the same, but it feels the same here. The calmness, the happiness, the freedom I feel here just reminds me of my hometown. Nature has always been a part of Meghalayans, and maybe that's the reason I miss it so much. I currently stay in Bangalore city and work as a developer in an IT company. I left Northeast as job opportunities are less there, and I'm grateful for the job I got here. Working in an IT company made me a bit stressful, and the pressure gave me anxiety issues. For now, I found a solution. I go to the places which makes me feel peace and makes me feel home. I feel so blessed to see, feel, smell, and hear all of it. In the city, I'm never so comfortable, running so freely. But here, I can just be myself. This video is also a big part of my stress relief, because as I upload it, people will be able to hear me and maybe also get to feel what I feel. And I'm so grateful for you to watch it right now. I'm grateful to Mother Nature for this beautiful creative world. The silence and the sound created by nature is both beautiful. I feel lucky and very grateful for being able to witness it. I want my friends to know that I'm very grateful for you guys to be in my life. Thank you for all the support and thank you for being there for me no matter what.